our water in our bowl. We're gonna light until it starts to boil. A tablespoon of pink salt in the water. A little of olive oil. The water is boiling, and we're gonna put in the pasta. Let's wait till the pasta is soft. Now we're gonna rinse the pasta in the sink. My mom's gonna help me. Rinse the pasta. Now that we have the pasta ready, we're gonna put all the ingredients together. So we're gonna put in 1 stick of butter, 2 eggs,
we're gonna put carnation milk,
and now we're gonna mix it all together. First, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 2 cups of mozzarella, 2 cups of Monterey cheese, 4 ounces of Velveeta cheese, now we're gonna mix it up. Preheat your oven at 350. Put mac and cheese in the oven for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna take out the mac and cheese, and we're gonna mix it and put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Now we're gonna taste it. Tastes delicious. Christian. I go to green.
That's good. No, that's my favorite.
Oh my God.